The hard part to this is getting the shutter right. How long to expose it. So it's kind of a trial and error thing. I swear there's a ring on there that I can turn. Yeah, it's this one. So that's all the way down. Yeah. There we go. I want to catch the front end of the, when the drone's this side of it. I can readjust it. Yeah, I'll just readjust it. Okay. Yeah. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to have one of them facing forward, lighting Lady Victory, and then we're going to have one facing back so that on the south end of the orbit, you can see the light still. That's the plan. Yeah, they're pretty bright. 4K 60 movie. We're still in cool, so we're still in the same setting. We could, I could go out. Let's do that. I know we launched out here before, no problem. Yeah. So the idea is this thing has a deal where I could put it right over the top of her, right, mark that location, and then pull away and hit start, and it'll execute an orbit, perfect orbit around her. Yeah. So here we go. We're right.
Wow.
Right above her, right there.
Right over the top of her.
Okay, so now we're going to go into.
That's awesome.
Now we have to set the radius.
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay.
Yep.
So she's orbiting.
All right, let's go take a look. I mean, what's amazing is it is drawing the exact same.
Well, that's why I want to use this software that's in here.
I'd say lower and widen the halo. Now I can adjust this.
Right.
You know, I would stay there, let it go around.
Yeah, but it needs to be lower. I want her wrapped with the halo.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm going to adjust the camera so I can drag my shutter more.
Okay. So we're trying to get her, the drone with the lights around her, so the halo wraps her. So the compositing shot looks kind of the way we were kind of wanting it to be. So I've come down here and filmed with ground cameras and drones and stuff before, and that's the other thing. When you want to film this with a drone, you have to come down here on a Wednesday morning at midnight when there's nobody absolutely out here and it's freezing cold. That way you're staying within the rules to be operating these things in an area like this. It's filming downtown with these kind of cameras it's much different than going out into a rural population and shooting, because there's not a lot of people out. So this came from something I saw another photographer take of a tree out in the middle of the woods, and they circled the drone, and this Olympus camera that's Conrad's running right now has got some witchcraft built into it that does amazing things with compositing of shots. So that's why I kind of wanted to work with him on him getting the actual photo. So the key part of this is the actual photograph that we're going to get out of it. We're going to get some cool video, which I've gotten before, of Lady Victory up there and stuff, but it's really the photo is what we're really going for. And it's not a science, but it's quasi-science. And when you're flying a drone in this kind of cold, you're really paying attention to the battery. You're going to fly it nice and slow. You're not going to put a lot of pressure on that battery in these temperatures and stuff. We're in operating boundaries of where we're at on the battery and stuff, so I'm not worried about that. But we're going to make sure we got plenty of life left when we bring it back and stuff.
You know what's really funny? You just drew a line with that light all the way across.
Oh, dude, I'm sorry.
It's all right.
That looks better, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I forgot that.
Yeah. My bad. Can you scribble it out? Check that off the old bucket list. Yeah, that was one shot. As soon as I saw that tree, I was like, Lady Victory. That's the first thing I thought of. I was like, our monument downtown, getting that shot.
That's great.
So.
Yeah, I sent the video to Terry. He's like, oh, that's so cool. I go, I'm going to try and do it around Lady Victory.
Whoa, yeah, swear to God I'm with it. I don't see nobody in my lane that's quite go get it like me. Whoa, please don't be wasting my time with that business. Who you kidding, man? Yeah. Whoa, yeah, swear to God I'm with it. I don't see nobody in my lane that's quite go get it like me. Whoa, please don't be wasting my time with that business. Who you kidding, man? Yeah. Say gon' put me all in the map with all that mad game you been talking. Oh yeah, man, that's awesome. Yeah. Show me this play.